The most interesting thing that I learned today, I think, was about biodiversity and the different types, or how you can actually understand or define biodiversity loss.
Besides everything, I've learned that to give even the simplest decisions on environment, it takes a whole lot of discussion.
Today I enjoyed the most the simulation exercise. I thought it was really interesting to seeing how the different stakeholders would interact, the different opinions you have when it comes to environmental matters. That was really interesting, and obviously also meeting all the different people.
Oh, I loved cosplaying as a politician when we were doing the workshop. I said things I never thought I would say, and I've supported ideas I've never thought I'd support. It was just so much fun.
Most exciting thing of today is observing the nest of turtles and meeting with new people.
The most interesting activity today was observing the nests of the turtles. We also dipped and found where the eggs were.
I learned many things today: turtles' lifestyle, their environment, and problems they face.
Firstly, today I learned that there was a producer plant in the sea named Posidonia, and a lot of species and animals fed off of it. If it went extinct, a lot of animals would also go extinct.
I love that we came out in nature, even though we're in the center of the city, to do some interactive learning activities. And it's great to get a hands-on experience, because we usually hear about it, we read about it, people tell us about it, but we never actually get to see how things are done. For example, catching crayfish and turtles in the river was amazing. I think the most shocking part was I didn't know there were crayfish in the river in Nicosia. Like, I live just 1 minute from here, so I didn't know there were crayfish next to my house.